Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market and let's analyze the Nifty 50 chart and find out important levels for the next week as there is already a crash happening in the stock market. Along with that, we'll discuss the USD INR chart because there is the Indian rupees has hit a record low last week on Friday. So we'll check there also. We'll see the levels. We'll analyze the chart also for the USD INR and important global market update also. So to know the Nifty 50 levels, stay connected to the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for stock market update and for wealth creation. So let's first of all see the USD INR chart. Let's check the USD INR chart. We'll discuss the Indian rupees. Then we'll go for the Nifty 50 chart. So I have opened the USD INR chart, and you can see what was happening last week. You can check this candle, and this is from 21st, 22nd, and 23rd on Friday. Uh, Indian rupees was hitting every day, it was hitting the new high. See, this day it has touched the 91.7.5, 91.75, and then the same here it has taken resistance 91.7 around also. These 2 days means Thursday, Wednesday and Thursday, and the Friday it has crossed this level of 91.7 and reached around it has touched the 92 US dollar. So these 3 day it was every day making higher and high, you can see here. And Friday it was around 91.92, around 92 exactly. If we talk, we can say 91.98 around. So this is not a very good sign. Actually, it is negative sign that Indian rupees is continuously hitting new low. So overall, you can say last week it has almost the Indian rupees almost was down around 1%, and for the whole month, if we talk, it was trading around. It was down. It was falling around 2%. ये जो डिस्टेंस है वन लास्ट वीक में ही इसने यहाँ से लेके फ्रॉम हियर इफ यू सी दिस लेवल वाज ऑन मंडे वाज 19, सॉरी, फ्रॉम दिस लेवल मंडे से if you see this resistance of 91, which is 91, we can take 191 around, ठीक है. 91 का एक यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस था जो इसने लाइक दिसंबर में ही वी कैन या दिसंबर में ही टच किया था. लास्ट मंथ वी कैन से 1 month बैक इट हैज टच द हाई ऑफ 91. ओके, देन अगेन 91 पे ही हाई था. वहां से इट स्टार्टेड फॉलिंग. इट हैज लाइक ये फॉलिंग है, बट फॉर द इंडियन रुपीज इट इज लाइक रिकवरिंग. वी कैन से इट वाज रिकवरिंग. यहाँ से लो लगा के then it was recovering, and here again it made a support around 89, around 89.5, 89.4 around. And from here again it is started going down, it started falling, and from here you can see how it is going continuously going up. अप मीन्स लो. आई एम टेलिंग ऑल दिस इज इंडियन रुपीज जो कि यूएस डॉलर के अगेंस्ट है. तो ये जितना ऊपर जा रहा है इसका मतलब होता है रुपीज इज फॉलिंग, इट इज लोवरिंग. तो यहाँ से इट स्टार्टेड लो फॉलिंग एंड इट रीच टू द ऑल रिकॉर्ड हाई, ऑल टाइम हाई ऑफ 92 रुपीज पर यूएस डॉलर. तो वी कैन से ये जो हाई था 91 वो भी टूट गया. अब ये एक सपोर्ट, मे बी इट मे बी सपोर्ट ऑफ 91, इट मे टेक सपोर्ट ऑफ 91 अगेन. वी कैन से नाउ द 91 will become a good support for the Indian rupees. Let's see if it's not going up from this level. So it will be concerned negative news for the Indian stock market at least. But अगर ये इसको भी ब्रेक करके और ऊपर जाता है तो इट विल बी अ अलार्मिंग सिचुएशन एज द rupees is falling against the dollar. That is not a good news, especially for the import. Little bit Indian rupees will recover if it's coming back to the 91. Otherwise, 92 level should be watched. So overall, this was the analysis of the USD INR. And if you see the important commodities, so gold, silver is every single day they are making a new all-time high, and you can see again, and you can see again the even gold has reached to the 5,000 around. अगर in INR में बोले तो it has reached around 1,60,000 per 10 grams, and silver reached to the 96.2, means if we talk in INR it has reached around 3,35,000, even more than that, 3,35,000 per kg. The gold silver is like skyrocketing, and I will not advise, will not say that ki this time you should enter in FOMO in gold and silver. You should definitely wait for you should wait for good fall, good time, not in this time when the silver and gold are just put, not this time, as the silver and gold are every single day making a new all-time high, so new highs. So overall the gold silver is good, and the Brent oil is falling. It is reached to the 64.29%. And yes, USD INR I already discussed. This was the update from the global market I discussed, and now let's check the Nifty 50 chart. And I have opened the Nifty 50 chart, and you can see the crash. I will say now crash happening in the Nifty 50, even Nifty Bank I discussed yesterday, and I have given the important reasons and FIIDI selling data, everything, and Nifty Bank levels also for the next week. Please check that video also for the Nifty Bank, and there I have discussed everything in detail. And here you can see Nifty 50 almost fallen from its all-time high, almost fallen 5% around till here. From here means the 26,350, from 26,350 to 24,900, even it has reached around 24,900 also. So this was overall more than 5% fall happened only within I can say 2 week, I can say only 2 हफ्ते में 2 वीक में ही इतना फॉल हो गया, अराउंड मीन 15 days you can say, roughly. So this fall, and last Friday what happened, you can see at least this is the 200 EMA, this red line, and it has, this day it has saved on 20th January. This day also it has tried to sustain around the 200 EMA. This day also try to sustain around 200 EMA. See, understand the overall analysis. And 2 3 days, 3 days, exactly 3 days, 1 2 3 3 days it tried to around sustain around 200 EMA. But on Friday you can see it has broken this 200 EMA, and even closed below this 200 EMA. And the candle size, you can see, we call it the Marabuzo candle, full inside bar, which is looking very very negative. So I don't know what is going to happen next week, but this sign is not a very alarming situation. This is not a good sign at all for the Nifty 50 also, and for the Indian stock market. And what I say, and here you can see the important, now it will become the important resistance of 25,350 400, we can say roughly 25,400 के आसपास एक अच्छा खासा रेजिस्टेंस हो जाएगा. बट अभी तो हमें सपोर्ट की ही बात करनी है, जो कि यू कैन सी दिस डे इट वाज, वी कॉल इट इनडिसिसिव कैंडल. and next day it saved, and abhi ye it is very very bad sign. क्या होगा, what may be possible, what level we can expect next after breaking this 200 EMA? 200 EMA breaking means now it is going below the long term moving average. So now it will take very means we can say good time to recover and to reach this level of all time high. अगर अच्छी रिकवरी हो जाती है because we have a good events of budget, and if it happens something good, any good news comes, so it may recover from here. Otherwise breaking this, going below the 200 EMA, this level which is the last swing high of 24,600. 24,600 will be important support to look at next week, even for the coming days. To 24,600 is imminent after breaking this, and if it's not recovering from here, okay. और ये इसके साथ ये भी एक साइन देता है, लेट इट इज ऑल्सो शोइंग दैट नाउ it will consolidate for some time, maybe below this line, below this EMA, or it will take go sideways, or it will take time. And means it is now I will say this time wasting hogi like for some time. यहाँ तक आना तो अब बहुत ही मुश्किल है, नियर टर्म, इन नियर टर्म नॉट पॉसिबल. is 200 EMA was 25,150 जो कि था, और 25,150 100 का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट था जो कि ऑलरेडी टूट चुका है, यस. सो नाउ I have discussed, mentioned this level and this level, which is very important to watch for the next week. But yes, be careful in the market because already this crash is happening, and do not jump in, and do not even jump in the commodities, white and yellow commodities, silver and gold, and even metal. Actually I will say metal is doing good, but still in this market you have to be careful for the metal sector also. I'll mention the Nifty 50 level. Important support is 24,600. Important resistance is 25,400, at least for the next week. For the short term, I have already updated the global market USD INR. Please check the USD INR level also for the next week. Important Nifty Bank level. Please watch the Saturday video, and like and share and subscribe the channel for stock market update and for wealth creation. Signing off.